the teacher's like right behind us. This is our magical spoon.
We have glitter and then our activator.
And then we have our glue that we just made right
It was
now,
a test.
right there. I'm gonna pour a little bit. No, I'm just gonna wait.
Why?
Cause look to your right.
I don't think he saw us already.
Sorry guys, I'm getting like
Should we do a mixture?
yeah. Oh my god, that's so cute. That looks like a little mocha cup. Okay, that should. Why is it? What the hell?
Wait, does
It makes me feel different.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's just continue on with the video.
Add the detergent. Here she goes. Looks like a frappuccino.
Looks like white cold foam. We add more glue.
It smells good.
Ew.
Slime is selling. No. More detergent. Add the sprinkles.
Which one?
Add this one. Okay, we're grabbing this other sprinkle. Oh my gosh, we did a good job. Look how cute this is. Looks like unicorn dookie. Oh, brother. Okay, we're probably gonna make slime tomorrow.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's do some ASMR. Oh my gosh, it's gonna get sticky though. Go.
Oh, period.
Clean the surface so we don't.
This girl's scared of getting in trouble for some
Because
reason.
I'm a good student.
Are you saying I'm not a good student? I will slap you with this slime. Don't make